Okay. Well, you're now on the 41 route to Southeast Roanoke. It goes through the Garden City Boulevard loop back there once every 2 hours.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I had to catch one last week and I had just missed it by like 10 minutes.
Wow.
So I had to call somebody and be like, I need a ride. But everything else on the 41 runs hourly, just like most of the service all day.
Oh, okay.
They used to have a peak bus on the half an hour, but they cut that out a few years ago.
I've been driving a Phantom 3.
I'll bet.
Even still, I haven't get to actually drive these when using the service.
Uh-huh.
It's just the fact that I'm still driving the Phantom. That's all.
Well, how does this compare to the 800s?
I'd say it would be.
Oh, sure.
Now, okay. Let's see. These in comparison to the 800s when we had them.
Yeah.
800s have better acceleration, especially from a dead stop.
Oh.
Better acceleration. They take off.
Uh-huh.
It'll beat anything that it had. It basically put it like this. It'll beat the current fleet.
Oh, okay.
It will. Especially from takeoff. And especially if you're coming up, let's see, coming up Broad Street at 14 to Broad heading to downtown area. And pretty much that's a nice little incline as far as going up Broad back on MCU area.
Yeah.
And what we have current doesn't match to what these would do.
Oh, okay.
They won't, not at all. Oh man.
Oh, and if you go up a few blocks, I don't know if Lawrence took you there, but we can go by Valley Metro and see their garage.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Alright. Standard lane.
Yep.
Yeah. The I-2003s, even with the AC on, have better acceleration than these.
I wonder if these got turned down over time.
I think so.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
It seems to me like a slightly older bus would be a little quicker, but you know, it all depends
You know,
on.
here's the thing. It is, because that's like at the mixture of our 300s. Our 300s, our 900s, all of our 400s. Since those are the last remaining diesel sets on the fleet.
Yeah.
401 through 408, those buses are monsters. 901 through 913, some of them are hit and miss.
Yeah.
And as far as like, you know, I guess when Gillig and the boy, not boy, but the Allison comparison with that transmission and comparison to driving one with a voice in it, and the way it's tuned,
Yeah.
It's tuned. I guess they got it set up for it to be tuned. Like, soon as we take off, you got the stores take off, and then after a while, everything just kick in and just be ready to go.
Yeah.
Shit. Like I said, bus 401 through 408 out the back, no problem.
You know what's funny? 401 showed up here as a demo right before it came to Richmond.
Oh wow.
I guess they figured, well, it's going that way. We might as well stop off.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. Now, all our 800s, I miss them.
Mm-hmm.
That's how I miss them. As far as like, if I take off from this light, put my foot on that gas, a whole total difference between these.
I'll
these
bet.
suspensions still set up like this. It's not bad.
Yeah. I wonder what it would have been like to ride the 800 series Flexes. I remember when those were in service.
Oh man, yeah, I remember those. Damn, I miss those.
Yeah, I remember when Richmond was nothing but Flexes. But literally 1 week in '96, I go through 1 week, it's all Flexes. The next week, the Phantom starts showing up. I'm like, ah.
Yeah, the funny thing is, they started to show up. Yeah, I can see what you talking about as far as that back goes with the airbag. That's typical Gillig. Yeah, they started to show up around like the summer of 1996. As a matter of fact.
I remember.
I remember I'm sitting on my porch at my dad's house at the time, and I'm looking at the bus, and I'm like, huh? Got GRTC written on the side of it.
It's this big boxy white with purple stripe thing. What is this?
No, here's the thing. It was back in the day. Yeah, it was the purple and black swoop stripe you had going across.
Yep.
And I'm like, oh shit, that's not justice. I'm like, okay, what we doing? Make a left or right?
Oh, let's take a left.
All right. Yeah.
And this will take you right by Valley Metro to get an idea of what they got going on.
I seen those. I said, oh snap, there we go.
That's when you knew you were in Roanoke. You're like, oh, okay.
Now that the GRC starts, they have to go on the other side of the road for it to clear up.
There you go. Just hang a left here, D'Angelo.
Right here?
Yeah.
Is that the tree one?
No, this is Valley Metro's garage.
Yep. And you can see we got. You can see.
You got trolleys up in here, man.
Yeah. Low floor. One out on the road right now, 0607, and it's on the 61 Extra.
All right.
You like them, huh? There's 2005. That's one of our newest.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've seen a lot of those over there at the transfer center.
There you go. And then a right here, and you'll get to see the Field of Glory.
What, did you put out the pasture field?
Yep.
What's up?
We got two fresh, or should I say not so fresh, out of there a little while back.
Yeah, that's one thing about these buses. These old buses got the coldest air conditioning on there that you possibly
Yep.
If it's summer, that's a good thing.
And if you want to take a little left into this gravel driveway right here, I'll show you what we got in the Field of Glory.
Steve Harvey.
Yep, that's the Vibe bus.
You got that wrap?
Yep, that's 0605. These are the 8 that went out earlier this year when they finally put the 2000s online. But a lot of memories on these. 0611, 0616. These have got Cummins ISMs with Voith, and they sound really nice.
Oh, man.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Like, right up there with the 300s.
Okay. Only thing I'm not a huge fan of is the single headlights.
Yeah.
It seems a little weird to me because it seems kind of old school because I'm used to seeing what's these right here.
What's crazy is these got built originally with the 4 headlight system, like everything we'd gotten before then. But because the bike rack was one size only and made for 102 inch and that's it, they had to rearrange the lights.
Okay.
But yeah. So consequently, they went back and they and they went ahead and retrofitted the 04s, the 01s that we had at the time with those two headlight systems. And Lynchburg had those from Jump Street going back to 1985. So yeah, it was really weird seeing those on there, especially when you had the 2001s that had no bike racks retrofitted. That looked really weird.
Yeah.
And then if you hang a left out of here on 11th, that'll put us right about back where we got to go. Hey, you having fun yet?
Yeah.
All right.
Just be on our old GRTC.
I'll bet. And then you take a right here, and then we'll take the next left back onto 9th Street, and that'll head us back where we headed from. But it's so weird, you know.
I bet there was a traffic of cars.
I had his keys all the way out so I could see. But they didn't know what he's doing, man.
Yeah, there you go. It's so weird though.
Going up?
Yeah, we're just gonna take a left on 9th Street.
Oh yeah, right here with his door.
Yeah. But when I hear GRTC used interchangeably because it's technically Greater Roanoke Transit,
Yeah.
it throws me off a bit. I'm like, do you mean Valley Metro or Richmond? I'm a little confused. But yeah, 9th Street is a block up. You'll take a left where you see the Big Lick store sign. That
Yeah.
car just came out. And that'll put you straight back where we were.
Very nice to let me go.
That's very nice of them. Sometimes.
It won't be expecting that anywhere else.
Oh my goodness, you ought to see the 61 going into the lower level of towers.
Oh wow.
Like, they make it do this little hairpin switchback into the property, like almost a 180 from the road.
Oh wow.
It's bad. Like, I'll let a driver through the other day, and they were appreciative, but the stupid person behind them came shooting out like kamikaze and almost hit me head on.
Yeah, that's how it be. No common courtesy.
Yep. No good.
One thing, I would love to see this back on the street of Richmond one day. Just one day.
I'll bet. Well, you know, if y'all host the state rodeo again, maybe we can make that happen. I'm sure it's coming around. I'm sure it's coming around sooner than later. Dash is doing it this coming year, and I guess y'all or HRT or somebody will be next.
Yeah, I think we hold ours some between September, October, and November. 'Cause I remember last time, and that was the first one I was in.
Yeah.
Which was in November. As a matter of fact, I think it was on my wife's birthday.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it was. So she got to see me performing there.
Mm-hmm.
Go to the dinner, and then I took her off. We'll go to the little lunch, and then take her off on her birthday.
So does she get into this much, or?
Nope.
I had a feeling.
Nope. That's how she rolled with me. She was like, I see if I can stay awake.
Yep. That's a sign of either you're that good of a driver or she's that bored.
No, I'm that good of a driver.
There you go. But yeah, and you never know, we might be able to bring this up to your local rodeo one day. I think that would be a trip.
It would.
I really wish we still had 309 to bring out there. We brought 418, which was our old 66 fishbowl we had back in the silver and green VTC colors for their groundbreaking a dozen years ago. Yep, you see a lot of that. Star City Motor Madness is this evening. That's where all the classic cars are going to jam up Williamson Road, which is our main drag. So be careful heading back out of town if you're heading out tonight. Is there anything else you want to spin around while you're here?
Probably Dash Orion. It was up.
Okay.
What you think, Ann?
Huh?
What you think, man?
It's cool. It's just that when I was using
out there in that fleet that's about as old as you is our 900s. Yup, all of them. Them 900s, 901 through 913.
What year are those? 08, 09, someone? 10. Okay.
Yep. The funny thing is, they came out, they gave you about 3 weeks before he was born.
Oh, wow. So you literally grew up on those buses, Aiden?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Get back home probably tomorrow. We'll see. I'm going to show you which one I'm talking about. But dang, man, I want to take that flex back off, man. That's my right curve.
Yeah.
I might pull that one out just to get a nice little picture of that one.
Go for it. But you just missed it. We had a fine facility up the street.
Yeah, I was wondering what's up with that.
So it was basically lent to us rent-free until the building sold. And the guy wasn't really aggressive about selling it, but all of a sudden a buyer got wind, and before you know it, we're out in the street again. But at least we got the field.
When she wasn't in the elements, but you know.
Yeah. Would have been nice if they would have just bought the field and let us have the garage facility, because that was real nice for getting 1427 back in shape.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the Lynchburg Gillig. Yeah, that's a fine little bus there. Fun too. All right, D'Angelo. Let me get an outside shot, or any parting words on this one?
Damn, I miss driving. Ladies and gentlemen, GRTC. I know y'all miss driving these, but hey, this bus down the roanoke if y'all want to.
Do it.